How are you doing today? I'm doing great. What about you? I'm fine, thank you. I need to find a new furniture set for my living room. Where are you planning on looking for one? I have no idea. I can tell you where I got mine. Where did you get it from? I found mine at Vortex. Does the furniture cost a lot? It cost me 30,000 for the whole set. How good of quality is the furniture? The furniture is really well. I will pay the money as long as I am getting what I pay for. You will feel comfortable paying the money. Well, it was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you too. We should really hang out again. That would be fun. I will call you later. Okay, I will talk to you later then. See you later. Bye. Thanks for watching.